are so exhausted today. We didn't sleep at all last night. It was so wet and cold and rainy and windy. I actually thought the truck was going to blow over with us inside of it a couple times. So no matter how wet and cold and miserable we are, we're gonna have fun.
Yep.
But I might need a Mickey of Fireball to get through the day. So let's just enjoy today, eh?
Yeah.
So Mariko and I are just picking up some goods and services at the local friendly neighborhood Walmart. We've been camping in our truck for about a week straight now. No paid accommodation, no motels, campsites or anything like that. Just hunkering down in the back of the truck. And it hasn't been a problem up until last night when the rain came. I will never complain about crawling in and out of that truck ever again as long as it's not raining. Just picking out some dry socks, are ya? Look how cute Mariko is in her rain attire. I like your rain pants.
Thank you.
Oh, here we go. あ、わかりません。あ、あそこ。早く。Well, Mariko's kind of at her wit's end, and I don't really blame her because I am too. It's been nothing but cold and shitty and rainy. Our blankets are wet, our clothes are wet, and this is our view of the Rockies. Anyway, we're gonna persevere. We're gonna continue on.
Campsite に着いたよ。
Have you stayed here before?
No.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We've been having lots of animal activity here. There is a black bear in the campground right now.
Okay.
It's his second visit today.
Really?
So he's definitely wandering around.
Okay. Great. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. So it's free wood.
Is it?
Yeah. But it's wet.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, babe. We're going to see bears.
Yeah, we might see that there.
サイトに着きました。こんな感じです。雨がね、ちょっと降ってるけど、風は全然ないんで大丈夫かな。
We can play Yahtzee. We can.
Thank you.
Finally, can change into some dry clothes. So we've got this pretty awesome tailgate bench set up here, but it would be nice to have like an extra little counter space for whatever. There's a stump over here that might work for that.
Great. これホットパック T&T で買った and I just put it in my tummy and then I'm keeping warm for 8 hours or 12 hours or so.
So just in case, Mariko and I came equipped with our bear spray. I think it was like $85 for two.
What do you do when you meet bear? Oh, it's like that? トンネルマウンテンビレッジ1、こんな感じでセットアップしました。Yeah, we decided to sleep in the truck today, not in a tent because it's quite cold.
This topper actually retains heat pretty well.
寒い。だんだん気温が低くなってきました。11度。今ね、このホットウォーターボトル作っています。ちょっとね、雨がねスクリーンから入り込んで結構椅子とか濡れてきたんで、今応急処置マッケンジーがやってくれてます。 This is good, babe. Thank you so much. How's my hot water bottle?
Helps out a little bit. Oh, it's めちゃ高い。
いいでしょ。何作りますか？
ソーセージと、
大きいねこのソーセージ。This sausage smells great.
めっちゃいい匂いでしょ。
Yeah, but I think it attracts bears.
Oh yeah, every bear within a freaking 3-mile radius can smell this. But don't worry. I got me knife.
これね、蚊よけ、虫よけ用のスクリーンなんですけど、なんかもう雨が降ってモザイクっぽくなってますね。まあプライバシーがあっていいかな。はいで。
こんにちは。
For me?
どうぞ。ああ。できた。
ふふー。
美味しいでしょ。
私たちのサイトはあそこで、トイレ割と近いですね。そこでめっちゃ綺麗なトイレとシャワーがあって、しかもなんかもう温風も出るし温水も出るし、本当にありがたい。これは何ベイ？
These are in case there are some very bold animals walking around. They have very good noses. So
Yeah, so you don't want to leave any food
nothing.
on your
You
side.
don't even want to leave toothpaste outside.
Yeah.
So these are lockers that you can put your food in. If you don't have a car or you don't have a food locker, the alternative is put it in a bag, tie a rope around it, pull it up into a tree.
これはキャンプサイトから見える山、カスケード山かな。Not sure.